Aminado ko eh, layo nito.
Layo talaga dito.
Admiral Hotel. Admiral Hotel. Ah, Central Bank no?
Bangko Sentral.
Bangko Sentral. Shit, gold.
Ginagawa yung pera na.
Oh. Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Old name and old airport, no? That's the old airport in Manila. Yung dagat. Maybe. Yeah, man. Ah, yung Star City, no?
Opo.
Laki nito na, ano? Cruise Miguel. Ito pala Conrad Hotel, no?
Opo.
Visa. Ah, Pasay. Kasi
Pwede din natin ikutan yung ano, yung Okada.
oh,
Malaki yun. Pupunta mo na ba yun dito?
dito ah.
Ikutan na natin yun. After natin dito,
Amazon. Amazon. Vikings restaurant yan, di ba? Lanson Place. Ano po mga building dito, no?
marami na talaga to. Malaki yan dito eh.
Lanson Place, ano yan? Mayaman yan.
Yan o, sushi bar, Tepanya.
Teppanyaki. Dito tayo kumain sa Intramuros, no?
Opo.
Ah, ito parte ng MOA to, di ba?
Opo, bawa na to.
SM MOA from behind. Ah, yun yung tinawid natin tulay noon.
Opo. Diyan tayo oh.
Oh,
Ayun yung tulay.
yun.
Ano rin yan? IMAX Theater. Diyan din na nagko-concert yung mga ano, singer.
Oh,
Sa Pilipinas. Melody, Martin Rivera.
SM MOA. Okay, walk. Ito ang kilalang SM MOA, Mall of Asia.
Mall of Asia Arena.
Mga 10 minutes din yun ah.
Opo.
Dito lang naman busy, no? Dito naglagan.
Opo. Pasok Giligan.
Conrad Hotel. Wala Conrad Hotel, no? IKEA. The biggest IKEA in the world here in Manila. Is in Manila.
Maganda rin dyan.
Yun daw pinakamalaking IKEA sa buong mundo eh.
Nakapasok na ako. Ay, sa IKEA hindi pa ako nakapasok. Pero dyan sa Conrad nakapasok na ako.
Oh. Yes, Giza. Manila Bay. Manila Bay, that one facing Hotel H2O, Ocean Park. And Manila Port, the main Manila Port. You go Dolomite Beach. Call it Dolomite because they used the when they was put on rehabilitation, they used the Dolomite stones from the middle part of Visaya. There you go. That's Ross Boulevard. United Nations Avenue near U.S. Embassy. Not allowed drinks here, not allowed drink any drink, soft drinks, alcohol, no food, no smoking, nothing. Just Manila Bay sunset watching. That's here you go, the wheel, that's SM Mall of Asia. Manila Yacht Club all the way to I think Baseco. It's quite peaceful here. Not allowed here, tags not allowed in this area. They'll be kicked out just before they enter. It is free. So if you wanna have a feel of a bit of Manila water, come here for the dip. Let's see how see the temperature. It's warm, very warm. You can see a lot of fish around here. Mainit.